Hello, my name is Brandon Perez, and today I'm going to be presenting my final exam slideshow, which is going to show all the projects I did in this semester. So I first started with the Lantern project, which I think was a good start for this semester because it helped me get into it again, I guess. It taught me how to sketch and the whole process of making something for myself. And I started with sketching, and I used some websites to help me see what the object would look like. Then I started modeling the parts of the lantern, as you can see, and then I did an assembly which puts all the parts together, and it lets me see the object and see if there's any problem or if there's any overlap. Then once everything was good, I started laser cutting, and then I glued all the parts together and I finished it. And I feel like this was a very good project to start with this semester. Then my second project was the bookmark project, which was a very small project, but I felt like it was a very good one because I actually came up with the idea myself, and it I got to do anything I want with it, which I felt like was good. And I started by seeing different types of bookmarks and how they look like, what could I do, and the designs that I could do, and see if I could change anything about them. Then once I drew them in AutoCAD. My teacher helped me laser cut them, and as you can see in the picture, this is the process of laser cutting the bookmarks on the laser cutter. And in the picture on the right, it shows all the bookmarks finished, and I took a picture of them once I got home, and I felt like it was a very good project, and I think they turned out very good. And then the most recent one for this semester was the egg crash car, which I find it very interesting. Um, we started by doing research on how to make a car safe, what makes it, and the certain items that make the car safe, like brakes, seat belts, and all of that, and seeing how we could implement this into our own cars while following certain constraints like weight constraints, height, width, length, and and then we started sketching and trying not to go over the constraints but trying to follow them. And then we started modeling, and we got to bring parts from the outside, like screws or anything that we would need for our car. And I started modeling some walls that I would put around my car. And at the moment, I am done with modeling, and I feel like over break, I think I could see if there's anything I could change for the car and see if there's any materials I would use for my car. And that's where we are right now. And that's my presentation for this class, and I hope this was fun.